The other little dude talking about some what do you say? He said I'm 10 or something too. You talking about nah, don't be trying to steal this spotlight, go.
You saw that? You hear me, dog? Don't try to do that. Don't do that. Don't try to ride the coattail. See? Know what they try to do. You hear me? I had to let them know. Nah, don't do that. You hear me? Don't do that. Don't do that. Get
that
off
go
his coattail.
that go back to that shit real be talking about. It
You just
be
need
like
one.
little crustaceans, like little fucking scavengers that just be
That's
trying
all they
to
want. They
leech.
just need that one for they can leech
Mhm.
onto it, and then they catch the bandwagon. I said, okay, who? Then you already knew what I say. Anybody else want to say something? Because
Yep.
I already know
Yeah.
y'all out there. Anybody else want to say something? Come
They
on.
feeding off that motherfucking energy. That
That
shit
dead energy. That
feed.
dead energy. That's why I'm like, look at this. Anybody else want to say something? Y'all welcome to say something. Yeah, he shit up. Yeah, you can't, you gotta stop them bad spirits right when they start talking. Like, hold on. That's not you.
That's
You
what I did. I said, nigga, you just made that damn page 29 minutes ago. You did that on purpose and came on here. The hell
and
out of
see that was so cold. You do not just pop on nobody's channel. You gotta really write it down and go find it where you can subscribe. You hear me? Stop. Like, that's why I be laughing at people like now. People gotta really write your channel down or go type it in and write it down if they not subscribed. You hear me? So that's crazy.
Yeah, I've learned that shit a long time. You used to always be
I
saying,
got a peep game. You know, we the best. I peep game off the muscle. Nobody's just gonna pop up out the blue and say, hey, no, you really didn't went to go find me. Or you scamming through lives. Like, oh great. Oh, there you go.
yeah, a
Still
man
don't
real,
know.
you already know.
You still don't know me.
It's
Bars.
like, hey, a dude got mad last night on the live because I said that the rainbow that
Oh yeah, that
they
it do not mean about that. It's about they food y'all to
yeah,
making that the rainbow is about some gay stuff. They trying to trick y'all mind. Yeah, you just showed in, bro. I was on there, bro. I pay
man, bro,
attention to my bros.
that damn dude got mad than the motherfucker, calling me Mr. Shockers and all this bullshit. Like, that's why, but you
Yeah,
can't,
I remember you were like, yeah, yeah. See what y'all don't know about the rainbow. Yeah, but see the
but
real
you
thing
can't
they trying to
tell
trick
people shit.
y'all.
You can't tell
Yeah,
shit,
man,
bro.
bro. I be listening. That's why I'm like, ooh, bro, got him.
Man, that shit made that dude mad than a motherfucker.
Oh, he had something to talk about. Now, no, he walking himself in the ditch. I was like, look at this. Talking. I said, oh my God, he mad now. He mad.
Man, that shit is.
Yeah.
Hey, them two trolled the nigga who told me to order that pizza to deliver
Man,
that.
they know man, them trolls know who to mess with, man. Do you hear me? They know.
Yeah, most.
Yeah, they know I welcome in with open arms. Just
Mm-hmm.
don't get mad. Just don't get mad. Cause they be looking for somebody to block them out. No, we don't do that. We gonna make you expose yourself. And then we might pull up your channel and just say, damn, you only got 2 subscribers ever since 2006.
Yeah, that be fucked up. I be looking at that shit. I be like, ooh, I thought I was doing bad.
You really want this smoke?
I, God, dang.
I'm like, you really think you want this smoke?
Man, what you
That's
saying?
why
Hell, you already know.
you don't want it. That's why I be trying to tell y'all, man. Y'all need to understand that when y'all tap on people's channel, we can tap on your icon and see you. Stop acting like you invisible on here.
What you say, real?
Bars, you hear me? And that's what I be trying to tell them, you hear me? I let anybody else say what you gotta say. Say what you gotta say. It's freedom of speech, you hear me? Come on. Come on, talk to me. This I always tell man, let's open the talk. Yeah.
Hey, you see what I be telling the trolls, bro? If you want to talk about something, cause you coming up,
So I like, they
hey,
don't want it.
I ain't gonna judge.